Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a blank comment on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the TikTok app here, and let's go to some of these random videos. See, this is the one that I want to leave a blank space to and as a comment. And they won't necessarily know what that comment is. It just doesn't show up as anything. I can tap that little comment icon and then hit Add Comment, and you can see if I just add a space and then hit Send the very top. It says Enter Comment, so you can't just add a random space to leave a blank comment. You have to have a very specific kind of symbol that is a blank symbol, but it's registered as something on the TikTok app. So to do that, let's get out here and open up Safari or Google Chrome. And what you'll want to do is in Google type in 0 with joiner. You can see at the very top 0 with joiner. And the very first option, that Emojipedia, I can tap on that to get this 0 with joiner. And then it just gives me the ability to copy this right here, so I can just tap that and it's copied the symbol. So it's an actual symbol, but it shows up as just a blank space. And let's get back into TikTok here, and then I can tap and paste this. And now it allows me to send that comment. And you can see now I've sent a blank comment on TikTok. I can tap and hold on it if I want to delete it or reply or add it to favorites or whatever I want to do. But that's how you leave a blank comment on TikTok. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.